In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the background of a video in Canva. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to canva.com. Just log into your Canva account using your email and password. On Canva homepage, click Create a Design button on top right side. From here, click Video. Now we are going to upload a video of which the background needs to be removed. To do that, click Upload option on the left panel, click Upload Files and choose the video. Once video is uploaded, just drag the video to our design on the right. Next, select the video and click Edit Video option on the top toolbar. Now under FX Effects, you will find an option Background Remover. Note that background remover option is only available with Canva Pro and unfortunately it's not available in free plan. Click background remover and it will take some time for processing depending on the video length. As you can see, the video background is now removed. Now you can change the background color of the design to green and resize the video. Once done, assign the name for the video at the top and click Share button. Click Download, keep file type as MP4 and click Download. So here is the video that we just edited. Now as this video has green background, you may use this video as green screen overlay on some other videos as well. So that is how you can remove background of a video in Canva. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.